In this tutorial I am going to make a end plate and shaft roller assembly. So first thing is that we are going to design the end plate part. So the units are in inches. Start the sketching and I am going to select the front plane and then go here, corner rectangle, and draw a rectangle like that. This is a simple work. Then add the dimensions. So this dimension is given as 8 inches. This dimension is 3 inches, and 2 circles we are going to draw it. And then assign the dimensions. Okay, so our sketch is complete. Exit the sketch, go to features and use the extrude base boss, and this dimension is given as 0.5 inches. Check mark, and the end plate design is done. Save it, and then we are going to create the drawing from this part. I am going to select the B landscape, click OK. I am going to select the front plane and then right plane. When I move my mouse here, I am going to put the isometric view here and just drag this view and keep it here and change the display style. Just drag it here, select this view and make the hidden line visible display style, and go to sketching, smart dimensions, and just dimension the design. So we just made the drawings of end plate. Save it. Now this end plate design is done. Now we are going to make the roller shaft. So open the sketching on right plane. Draw a simple circle, and now we are going to define the dimensions of this circle. So radial dimension is given as 1.5, and we are going to add the diametral dimension. It will be double, it will be 3. Then draw a line, just a horizontal line like that, and give the dimensions. This dimension is given as 1.125, and trim, use the power trim to trim these areas. or you can trim it like that. This dimension is given as 1.125, and trim, instead of using the power trim, you can use trim to closer and trim these extended areas which you don't need it, and exit the sketch. Then we are going to use the extrude tool and dimension it to 6, and it's better if for the end condition, direction 1 end condition, you select the mid plane and give this dimension 6, so it will extrude it half in this direction and half in this direction, and our right plane will be in the middle. The sketching plane is in the middle. And open the sketching on this face, make it normal to you, draw a circle like that, and this dimension is given as 0.5. Exit it. So the total dimension for these two shafts is 8. From this surface it's 1, so extrude this for the dimension of 1, and end condition is blind. And we can use mirror tool to mirror this feature. In the selection mirror face plane, select the right plane, and features to mirror, select this shaft we just extruded. So this way you can see it's added. Now just save this one with the name of roller shaft. And we are going to make the drawings. B landscape, click OK. We are going to put the front like that, and right plane and isometric view. And this view display style, make sure to shade it with edges, and drag it and place it like that. Now I am going to use the dimensions. So from here to here, this dimension is given as, from here to here, this dimension is given as, from here to this side, this dimension is given as like that. From here so first select this point, and this dimension is given as 1.125. when you add this dimension, go here on the tolerance positions, change this to 1 2 like that, and it will change this dimension to 1.125. or you can go here under the document properties units, and for the decimals of length, change this one too. So this shaft, roller shaft drawings is done. Now the two parts we just made, we needed to put together in the assembly atmosphere. So select the assembly, click OK. So first I am going to put the end plate like that, and we just needed to change the rotate in Y direction and place it like that. Then again we needed to select the end plate and use this Y and place like that. Then I am going to put the roller shaft, so 2 plates and 2 shafts, and select the mate. I am going to select this surface and this surface, and it will add a concentric mate. And again this surface you can rotate. If this surface is not visible to do, you can rotate like that. Select this cylindrical surface, rotate like that, and select this cylindrical surface of the hole. Now I am going to select this surface and rotate and select this surface, so it will add a coincident mate between them. And same way select this surface and this surface, and it will add the mate. Select the roller shaft once again, add it, go to mate, select this surface and this whole surface, and again we needed to move it in that direction. Just select this plate and rotate it like that, so this hole must be visible, and select this one and select this surface. And now when you hold it and drag it, it will rotate like that. We needed to fix that, so I am going to select this surface and this surface, so it will make it coincident. Now you can rotate it, but you cannot drag it in the other directions. Next, go here, we needed to select the mate. I am going to select this top surface of the bottom roller and this surface, this one, and you can see it will add a parallel relation between them. And you see this is facing in that direction, but we wanted that in the other direction, so just go here, make alignment, change that, so you can see this surface is now in the other direction like that. Now you see this is fully constrained, you are not able to rotate it, but the top roller you can rotate it. Just make it like that. So now this assembly design is done. Save it, rebuild and save. Go here to plate, roller, shaft, assembly. Save it, go to make drawing from assembly, select the B landscape, and we just put the front view here and an isometric view like that. Just drag this one in this position, make it like that, go to edit sheet format, drag it like that, change the font size to 10, like that. Go to view, annotations and bill of material. Select bill of material, select this view and click OK, and this box will appear. Make it like that, and under the description you can like double click on it, break link and put the name or any description, like put it and plate, and do same for this roller shaft. to balloons. So this bill of materials giving the information of our assembly. So end plate we are using 2 quantity, and roller shaft we are using 2 quantity, and item number here it's telling which one is which. Save it, and now our work is complete.